The progression of AI in stages. Nowadays, artificial intelligence or AI is more common than you think. Just from the word alone with no context, you would think that this is some sort of overcomplicated scientific term. But the truth is, AI is present in our everyday lives. Apple's digital assistants Siri and Alexa are a common example of this since they are included in a wide variety of iOS and Mac devices. Another common example is the bots you encounter in e-commerce shops such as Facebook Marketplace and eBay. These bots help various customers and business owners with various transactions and product updates. AI is slowly continuing to play a crucial role in our lives, which is also why the advancements towards it are becoming more rapid. As AI advances even further, we must become more knowledgeable about its progression in order to incorporate it better into our lives. Hey there everyone, welcome back to Amazing AI, where we talk about all things AI and all related technology to it. For this video, we will delve into the 7 distinct stages of AI, shedding light on its evolution and potential. As technology continues to play an important role in our lives, understanding where we stand on this journey becomes invaluable. So, let's break down each stage with easy-to-understand explanations. We would love to provide you with more AI content that interests you, so please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. The first stage of AI is characterized by rule-based AI systems, also known as one-task systems. These systems operate based on predefined sets of rules or algorithms provided by programmers. Playing checkers against a computer is a good example to visualize this concept. The computer knows all possible moves and outcomes based on the rules it has been programmed with. However, it cannot learn or adapt to new situations that are beyond the rules it has been programmed with. While these systems excel at tasks with clear-cut rules, they lack the ability to learn, understand context, or handle unprogrammed scenarios. Moving on to the second stage, we have the context awareness and retention systems. These AI systems are capable of understanding and retaining context, which is a significant upgrade to the first stage. An example of this is the digital statements stated in our intro, which are Siri and Alexa. They not only process commands, but they also learn from the past interactions you had with them. They can understand references to previous questions and provide a more personalized and sophisticated user experience. It's like having an assistant with no emotions or physical body. These systems retain information and use context to handle a broader range of interactions, hence the more personalized experience. The second stage can be seen as the teenager stage in the AI progression. And those are the first 2 stages of AI progression. The examples stated were more common than you think, huh? Have you ever used any of the AI examples that were previously shown? If yes, then let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with AI. And now let's get back to the video. The third stage takes us to the domain-specific mastery systems. These AI systems showcase deep comprehension and expertise with a specific domain or field. A great example for this is IBM's Watson, which was designed to excel at answering questions on the game show Jeopardy! Another example is Google's DeepMind AlphaGo, which mastered the complex game of Go. AlphaGo was so good that it even went on to defeat world champions in the game of Go. These systems analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions or predictions. Compared to the second stage, the third stage represents the adult stage in AI's progression, with remarkable abilities within their specialized fields. For the fourth stage, we have the thinking and reasoning AI systems. These systems mimic human thinking and reasoning processes. Through techniques like machine learning and deep learning, they can understand complex concepts, solve unfamiliar problems, and generate creative ideas. Imagine an AI system that can read a book, comprehend the plot, and infer character motives based on their actions. This AI system can probably even do your book report in school. These AI systems resemble human intelligence in a more profound way, specializing in reasoning and thinking tasks. And for the fifth stage, we step into the realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This refers to an AI system that equals human intelligence in all aspects. Such a system would understand, learn, adapt, and implement knowledge across a wide range of tasks. It could learn a new language, compose symphonies, derive complex mathematical theorems, and even understand human emotions. While AGI remains theoretical and hasn't been achieved yet, it poses fascinating questions about the nature of intelligence and consciousness. It's like taking a human brain, then converting it into an entirely digital being. It's crazy to think about it, especially if you compare it with the AI technology that we currently use in today's society. AI really is fascinating, don't you think? Stages 3 to 5 have been slowly becoming more advanced compared to the first two stages. What do you feel about the rapid progression of artificial intelligence? Is it fascinating, exciting, or even scary? Don't forget to let us know in the comments. Now we'll move on to the last two stages, which are far more advanced compared to the previous 5 stages. For the 6th stage, we have Artificial Superintelligence, or ASI. This level of AI far surpasses human cognitive skills, outperforming us in economically valuable work. An ASI system could potentially solve problems beyond our capabilities, innovating and creating in unimaginable ways. It could probably even solve world hunger or formulate a cure for cancer. It could shed light on mysteries of the universe and present unprecedented insights. However, the advent of ASI also raises significant ethical concerns and calls for careful consideration of power control and safety. You never know how dangerous it could be, especially with how it quickly adapts and learns. Finally, we reach the 7th stage, which is the AI singularity. This hypothetical point in time, often associated with artificial superintelligence, represents uncontrollable and irreversible technological growth. It's a realm where AI development becomes difficult to predict, leading to unforeseeable changes in human civilization. You can say that it's the AI takeover in a way. While the singularity remains highly speculative and controversial, it challenges us to think about its potential consequences, the very essence of intelligence and consciousness. And that wraps up this video. As we conclude this enlightening journey through the progression of AI, it's important to recognize the incredible potential of this technology alongside the questions it poses. AI's role in our world will undoubtedly continue to expand, so it's our responsibility to be more knowledgeable about it. We hope that you learned a lot from this video. If you want to stay tuned to what the amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.